Hi everyone, I am Bboy Bugy from Hip Hop Fundamentals, and today I'm gonna teach you a 6-step variation. We're gonna call this 6-step variation the up and down 6-step, okay? And why are we calling it the up and down 6-step is because we're gonna change level. So a regular 6-step looks like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right on the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The difference between this one and the one that I'm teaching you is that when I'm going in the front, I'm gonna change levels, okay? So this is why I like this type of 6-step, because changing the levels, it makes it more dynamic. This 6-step is gonna start from standing up. We're not gonna start it from here, we're gonna start it from standing up. Now I'm gonna go with my right hand and my right leg down, and this is gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is number 4. Number 5, instead of going in the hook, is gonna be in front of number 4. 5. Now I'm pushing hard in this one. 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the front. 6. Right, and this is the 6-step. To do it both sides. So I'm gonna start now with the left arm and left leg. It's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pushing this one. 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Changing directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what do we know until now? We know that a regular 6-step is at the same level, right? Starting here, ending here. The up and down 6-step, you can start low or you can start on tops by standing, and you end up. So you have a difference of levels, right? You change level, and for me, that makes it more dynamic. Now, doing it faster is gonna look something like this. After you learn the 6-step, if you don't know the 6-step, you gotta learn the 6-step first, the basic 6-step. After you learn the basic 6-step, you can learn the up and down 6-step. Now, after you learn the up and down 6-step, I'm sure that you're gonna want to combine it with different moves. And I'm gonna show you a way to combine it, a very easy way. So check this out. Now that was the easy way of combining 6-step with basic top rocks and some CCs. Something very simple, a little bit change of dynamics. You can play with the speeds. You can go in the 6-step, stop here, reverse it, go up in this one, do a spin, back into hook, whatever you feel like doing. Remember, this is the dance that requires freedom, so be free in it. Don't put too many limits on yourself. Okay, peace out. This is Bboy Bugy from Hip Hop Fundamentals. Thank you for watching.